Hello, this is me Ishani from Tech Basics. Today in this video, we'll learn about how to log into avvolawyer.com. First, you have to open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now click on the URL and type in Avvo Lawyer. Now go to the first link. This is the homepage of the avvo.com. Now here on the top you can see the sign in button. Click on it. You will need your email address to log in into the website, or you can directly log in from your Facebook or your Twitter or LinkedIn or Google. If you don't have an account, you can use this link to create an account. Now I'm typing my email address. Now click on next. Now you will need your password. Now click on sign in, and if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover your password. And if you need any information about the terms of use of this avvolawyer.com, you can click on this link. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And please do comment down below if you have any queries or feedback. Thank you.